It's been over 2.5 years since I've straightened my hair, and living abroad is definitely the reason why, because I've been a bit skeptical, especially in Asia, to find a stylist that can actually deal with curly hair. But with that, it's been a long time since I got a trim, and my hair is pretty dry and my ends are very damaged. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the process of me getting my hair from curly to straight after 2.5 years. Let's get started. Now, before I get started, I need to show you guys a picture of my hair. You guys can see my hair type. My hair is actually between 3C and 4A hair, depending on how dry it is. And I also want to mention that I haven't dyed my hair. This is my natural hair color. It's just gotten lighter by the sun naturally. So I believe the camera is also adding a lot of lighting, so it's looking a bit lighter than usual. But my hair is usually brown, lighter brown around the ends. And I also wanted to show you guys a picture of the length of my hair that I took before. So I just stretched it out a little bit in the back, and you can see it's about mid-back length. So let's get started with the washing process. I'm starting with the volumizing shampoo. This is just a regular shampoo I got at the store. This is a rosemary and mint volumizing shampoo, so it's supposed to add bounce and body. I'm just going to work through my hair and just wash one time because my hair wasn't as dirty. Then I'm following up with a conditioner. I also got this conditioner. It's aloe and citrus, and it's made to restore healthy and vibrant hair. So I'm gonna work that through my hair and then detangle. I'm going to use the white tooth comb to detangle my hair first, and then I'm going to use a very small rat tail comb just to detangle it even more, make my hair very easy and smooth for the blow drying process. So since we're in lockdown now with Bali, I was able to have a stylist come to my house and do my hair instead. So here at my stylist Amanda, I'll leave her information in the description box for you guys. She's Australian. She was just wonderful. So she just came in, actually put some heat protectant in my hair and started blow drying it. She actually used a low setting, which I enjoyed because I did not feel any heat in the back of my head. If you guys are Haitian, Dominican, and you've been to the Dominican salons, although they do a great job, I have got to say that every time they blow dry my hair, it's always, my scalp feels so hot. It was always like the process to get the best like sleek look. However, she blow dried it and I just did not feel any heat in the back of my head. So I think using the low setting was a great idea. She's going in with the curl brush. I don't know what you call it exactly, but she's blow drying my hair first, and you can see my hair changing from curly to straight right there. Okay, so now that she finished blow drying my hair, she's gonna go in with the flat iron. She's using also a low setting on that one, so she did go over it a couple of times per strand. I told her that I just needed to just flat iron it, but not too much heat so that it wouldn't damage my hair, and she did a great job doing that, and that's what you guys are seeing right here. She's using the flat iron now, and she's pressing it on my hair with the rat tail comb just to make it very smooth, and she did a great job on that. Now, as soon as she finished, I wanted to take a picture just to show you guys my hair before, and I was just shocked at how dry my ends were, and you can see how much split ends I had. So I'm gonna show you guys that picture right now. I'm gonna focus on the ends. You guys can see the picture before of my hair curly when I did a length check, and now you can see it straight and it's completely uneven because I have so much split ends. So this is just a lesson for you guys. Don't do like me and wait 2 years before you get a trim because your hair will be damaged. So the next thing that she did right now is go ahead and cut the split ends for me. And the whole time we were talking before that, she was asking me, are you sure you want me to cut your hair? I was like, yes, if it's damaged, it needs to go because it's just going to add up and just cause more split ends. So this is her cutting my hair. You guys can see the trimming process, and this is the final product right here. You guys can see my hair is trimmed. I'm gonna show you guys a picture first just because of the humidity in Bali where I am right now. My hair started frizzing as soon as I put the camera down. So it's important for me to take a picture before just to show you what my hair looked like because the frizzing and the curling process happened so fast. And I wanted to show you guys just like a couple of minutes later, maybe 10 minutes later, my hair curled up very nicely. I did not use a curling wand for this. My hair just naturally started curling, and I think it's due to the humidity here. And this is a picture of me the next day just to show you how my hair curled up all by itself. I only added a little bit of almond oil to the ends, and I also braided overnight and then just let it go. I really hope this video was helpful to you and teaches you not to take forever to cut your split ends, and make sure that you keep up with your regular trims. Make sure you like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.